Hi everyone. Today I'm presenting my Power BI project, Bank Data Overview and Analysis. This project analyzes the bank's data from 2016 to 2019 of 10,000 customers to provide an overview of customer account details. It aims to understand aspects of the bank's operations, including customer churn and product usage. This analysis will help identify trends, challenges, and opportunities for improving the bank's services and strategies. Let's start. First, we have key performance indicators. Here we are providing a high-level overview of key metrics and performance indicators. As you can see, we have few card visuals over here. Total customers, active customers, inactive customers. Inactive customers means they are not using bank service now. Then churned customers means number of customers who exited the bank. Then retained customers means they are still using the bank service. Then churn rate means it represents the proportion of customers who have left the bank out of the total customers base. Then number of credit card holders and non-credit card holders. Over here, we can see few slices. These slices allows users to filter the data by year, month name, active category, churn category, number of products. Then a button to clear all these given slices. Next, we have a stacked column chart which shows the total number of customers by their location. Next one is a column chart that compares the number of active and inactive customers over these years. Next one is a donut chart that displays the distribution of customers by their gender. The gender distribution is fairly balanced, as we can see. Next one is a funnel chart that shows the total number of customers segmented by their tenure with the bank. The highest number of customers have a tenure of 5 years. Moving on to the next page, which is credit score analysis. Here we are analyzing how credit scores of customers impact various aspects of the bank's operations. As we can see, it's a table here that provides a legend to categorize credit scores into 5 different levels. The lowest level being poor, and then fair, good, very good, then the highest level being excellent. Next, I've placed a location filter. Next comes a chart which displays the average of credit scores by their gender. As we can see, there is no significant gender disparity in credit scores, indicating balanced financial behavior across genders. Next, we have clustered column chart, which displays the number of active and inactive customers for each credit score level. And next one is a line and clustered column chart, which shows the churn rate and the number of customers for each credit score level. Since poor category having the highest churn rate, let's drill down to that category. Again, drilling down to 2017, since 2017 having highest churn rate. Then again, drilling down to Q4. Yeah. So now I'm going back. Okay. Here we can see a gauge visual, which displays the total balance of all customers combined, which is 764.86. Next comes a line chart, which shows the average credit scores of customers over these years. Next one is a bar chart that displays the distribution of customers across different credit score levels and the number of products they own. We can zoom in this visual like this. Okay. Moving on to the next page, which is product and activity analysis page. Here we are investigating the impact of product usage and customers' activity status if they are inactive or active on bank operations. So first we have a stacked column chart, which displays the number of active and inactive customers for each year. Then comes a tree map visual, which categorizes customers by their credit card holder or non-credit card holders. Then comes a clustered column chart that breaks down customers by age group and their active status. Then comes a table that lists monthly customer data showing the total customers for each month from 2016 to 2019, along with totals for the last year and 3 months ago. Then comes different slices. So moving on to the next page, age analysis. Here we are analyzing the impact of customers' age on various bank metrics. First, here we have a card visual which displays the average age of customers, which is 39. Next is a table that provides a detailed breakdown of the total customers segmented by age group and the number of products they hold. Next, we have different filters over here. Next, we have table. Here, I have ranked customers age group based on the total number of customers belong to that particular age group. So if we want to see only the first two ranks age group, we can click here. Then first three ranks, four ranks, and it goes on like this. And if we click 7, we can see all the age groups based on their ranks. Next, we have a bar chart which shows the total number of customers by age group and their tenure with the bank. As we can see, the 31 to 40 age group has the highest number of customers across different tenure categories. Next is a sunburst chart that visualizes the total number of customers by age group. Here, it's clear that the 31 to 40 age group is the largest one for both male and female. Next, we have a scroller over here for each age group. How much is the churn percentage for that particular age group? And moving on. Here we have a gender analysis. So here we'll be examining how different bank metrics are influenced by the gender of customers. First, we have a stacked column chart. This shows the number of churned customers segmented by gender and year. Next is a clustered column chart, breaks down the total number of customers by their gender and the number of products they use. So here we can see that the majority of customers, both male and female, use only one product. And next we have a multi-row visual card, which shows the total number of customers in both the gender in each age group. Okay. Next, we have a table that provides a monthly breakdown of cumulative customers of both male and female. So the number of cumulative male customers slightly exceeds the female customers by the end of the observed period. We can see that here. And next is a clustered column chart, which compares the total number of active and inactive customers by their gender. There is a balance between active and inactive customers for both genders, with males having a slightly higher number. And next chart displays the total number of customers segmented by location and gender. Okay, and then comes a clustered bar chart that shows the total number of customers segmented by salary range and gender. So most customers falls within the middle salary ranges. And next we have slices over here. So if we apply a slicer, we can see the total number of products for. According to that, all other visuals have changed. Now I am clearing that slicer. So now it's back. Okay. Moving on to the next page. Here we are analyzing how customers' location influences various aspects of their interaction with the bank. So first one is a stacked column chart, which shows the distribution of customers across different credit score levels segmented by location. From this, we can conclude that excellent credit score have only minimal customers across all locations. Then 2 slices. Then I have added a Q&A visual. So I already asked the question here, and the outcome is in a form of line chart. Next, we have a decomposition tree that visualizes the customer journey from location to active or inactive status and further to retention or churn status. So upon checking, we can see France, then Germany, then Spain. So these 2 countries following the same pattern as of France means they are having male customers more than female, then active customers having more than inactive customers, then more retained customers than churned customers. Likewise. Then we have a stacked bar chart that shows the churn rate segmented by location. So here we can clearly see that Germany has the highest churn rate. Next is a stacked area chart that shows the distribution of customers across different salary ranges segmented by location. Okay, so moving on to next page, which is churn analysis. It is an important analysis. Here we are analyzing all the customer data we have to examine the impact of those data in bank's churn status. In top left corner, we can see a card visual, which shows the churn rate is 20.37%. Next, we have a scroller over here for each year, how much churn rate happened. And next is a line and clustered column chart shows the churn rate alongside the number of customers across various credit score levels. Okay. Next is a funnel chart that shows the churn rate segmented by customer tenure in years. So customers with 7 years of tenure have the highest churn rate, as we can see here. Next comes the a donut chart that shows the churn rate segmented by gender. So female customers are at a higher risk of leaving, indicating a potential gender-specific issue. And next is a lollipop chart that shows the churn rate against the number of products customers hold. Next one is a tree map that compares churn rates between active and inactive customers. As we can clearly see that inactive members have much higher churn rate compared to active members. Next is a donut chart that compares the churn rates of credit card holders and non-credit card holders. Here we have a stacked bar chart that shows the churn rate by location. So churn rate is notably higher in Germany, which aligns with the previous observation about location-based challenges. And next we have a area chart that shows churn rates across different age groups. Here the churn rate peaks among customers aged from 51 to 60. And here we have different slices. Then we have a line chart that provides a forecast of churned customers for upcoming years based on past data. Okay. Moving on to the last page. So the final page of this report provides an overview of the entire project by summarizing the key conclusions from each section. So based on these insights, it also offers targeted recommendations to guide future actions and strategies for banks' better performance. You can check out my project on institution's official website. So thank you for watching. Bye.